A look at the 2019 250 SLX by Sea Ray. We're going to start at the stern of this boat, and it has sea deck across the back, has plenty of seating here to sit and watch the kids in the water. It also has an electronic swim platform that with the press of a button folds out slightly underneath the sun pad for easy entry to this when you're out on waters, when you're out doing water sports. Has a starboard side walkthrough on this boat. We have fresh water here as well. You have your aft stereo control. We also have a nice big sun pad here. You also have a backrest here if you don't want to lounge out and you want to just sit here and watch the kids here. You can pull your backrest out and you can watch the kids in the water here as well. You also have a 12-volt battery outlet back here to blow up your water toys. So your electronics, when you enter this boat, you have your tower and you have your swim platform electronically actuated here. So this boat actually raises the top up and down for your boat dock with a touch of a switch. Your house and your engine batteries are located back here on the stern as well. You have LED lighting throughout this boat. You have LED lighting underneath the cup holders, up under the bow seating as well. Plenty of storage on this boat. You have a built-in cooler underneath here. Plenty of storage under the seats on this boat. Everything is finished. Moving forward, we have twin captain's chairs, ballisters on each. We have a big ski locker on this boat, holds plenty of skis, etc. This also holds your tables. There's a table mount on this boat fore and aft, so there's two tables that you can put on this boat. This boat is fully electronic. It comes with two 12-inch Simrads. It comes with Mercury vessel view. It comes with your Apollo stereo. It also comes with accent lighting, trim tabs, automatic, windlass, digital throttle, courtesy lights as well. This boat comes with a head as well. This has a pump out head. There's water in the head as well. Window for ventilation and lighting. There's also a small dash here that's lockable for your valuables. Moving to the forward on this boat, your electronic panel is in here, your breakers, your shore power, your charger, your tests are here. This also folds out into a windscreen for those cool fall mornings when you're out on the boat and you don't want any cool air blowing on the passengers. Forward of this boat, you can see we have lighted grab rails underneath here. We have armrests for your front passengers as well. Hinge seating. Plenty of storage on this boat. One of the unique features of the 25 SLX is you have a large storage area under the helm that is also completely finished and lit. This side, plenty of storage on this boat. Moving forward, we have a power windlass on this boat that is actuated from the helm. Cool. Here's another look at this great looking 25 SLX from the forward section of the boat. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Dennis Orcutt. If this is a boat you would like to own, please contact us at Lake Wylie Marina. My number is 803-831-2101. Thanks a lot.